Hello and welcome. I'm Sadaf Ilyas from Luxland, a licensed and professional real estate consultancy. We at Luxland help you find your own luxury home in Pune, and we will try and bring information not just regarding the projects but also the city, the neighborhood, and the things that matter most to you. Today, we are going to talk about why Pune is one of the best cities to live and why you should choose to live here. Well, as some of you would have heard that Pune is the cultural capital of Maharashtra and a hub for automotive and IT sector. Well, that's right. And I would add to that and say that Pune is an ever-growing industrial and urban hub, which is located just a few hours away from Mumbai and very well connected to the other parts of the states, to other part of the state as well. Now, Pune has a very well developed city road network, good water supply, drainage, and electricity supply. It has an upcoming metro and a ring road project too. Now, Pune is surrounded by nature, open public spaces, gardens, playgrounds, and there are many hospitals, large malls, and multiplexes too. The city is also quite secure for women. Now, talking about the surrounding areas of Pune, Pune is close to many holiday destinations. So whether it's a beach or a hill station that you like, everything is in close proximity of about 1 to 2 hours drive from Pune. All this helps in increasing the quality of life of people living here. The city is also well connected to various national and international destinations by air, so you could easily hop out of the city whenever you wish to. Pune has a very good road network to other cities via the various national and state highways, and not to forget, it boasts of India's first 6-lane expressway connecting to Mumbai in just 2 hours. Another aspect about Pune is that it is a thriving and friendly cosmopolitan city with a very vibrant nightlife, high-end restaurants, hotels, and hosts some of the biggest festivals and cultural events in this country. In fact, many national and international artists have performed in the city of Pune. Now, if you're talking about the weather, the city has the most amazing climatic condition at any time of the year with no extremities. Also, the evenings are generally very pleasant here. Now, one point worth noting is that Pune holds the second spot in the ease of living index done out of 100 plus cities, Indian cities. This survey is an indicator of quality of life for a city and is measured on 4 broad parameters, which are basically governance and social, physical, and economic infrastructure. So Pune holds the second spot. I think the first is Bangalore. Now, Pune has been known as the Oxford of the East and is an educational hub attracting youth demographic for decades. It has some very good school and colleges and higher education institutes for various streams. There are many reputed educational institutes in Pune, such as the Pune University, Fergusson College, Symbiosis, Bharati Vidyapeeth, MIT, FTII, and NIBM, just to name a few. And to top it all, post completion of one's formal education, one can pursue a career in the city itself by getting a job with a company based out of Pune. Now, this brings us to another very important point, as how good is the city for startups and businesses. I think Pune is very good for startups as well as businesses. This I say because firstly, there's an availability of well talented manpower due to presence of big IT, manufacturing, and automotive companies. Also, there is a huge number of students passing out every year, which adds to this the existing talent pool. Secondly, the Pune is a great test market for new products. New products because of its diverse population, which is open to trying out new things, and the city is also a big consumer in itself. The next point why it is good for business is that it is much easier and faster to commute within the city as compared to cities like Mumbai and Bangalore, where one can take literally half an hour to travel just 1 kilometer, and so your employee will have more time to devote to work rather than spending time in commuting. Lastly, why Pune is good for business, because of its lower real estate costs as compared to a city like Mumbai. The residential rental is also much lower, keeping your employees also happy. Now, before we end this video, we would like to give you a perspective on premium residential real estate in Pune. Typically, a 3-bedroom, 1800 square feet residence in a prime locality can start anywhere between 1.5 crore and can go up to 3.5 crore for a luxury, super luxury category. Now we'll compare that to Mumbai, where you would get a 1 BHK 600 square feet in the western suburb for about 1.8 1.9 crore. And that's a huge difference when you compare what you pay and what you get. I hope we have been able to give you some perspective as to why Pune is one of the best cities to live in. There are many other aspects about the city which we will try and bring to you so that it helps you in your understanding about the city and as well as in your property buying process. Thank you for watching this. Please contact us if you have any questions or need help in buying a property in Pune. You may also comment if you have any thoughts on the topic. Stay tuned, goodbye, and stay safe.